Welcome to Emergency Insights. I'm your host, James Carter. Today, we're discussing an important drug interaction that may not be top of mind for many, but carries a significant risk: the potential for methylene blue to precipitate serotonin syndrome. Methylene blue is a versatile agent used in various clinical scenarios, from a diagnostic dye to a vasopressor. However, its pharmacological profile includes a potent, reversible inhibition of monoamine oxidase A, or MAO-A. For those of us in medicine, we know MAO-A is the primary enzyme responsible for the breakdown of serotonin. By inhibiting this enzyme, methylene blue can cause a rapid increase in serotonin levels, especially when administered intravenously. While methylene blue alone is not typically associated with serotonin syndrome, the risk becomes clinically significant and potentially fatal when it's co-administered with other serotonergic drugs. This includes a wide range of medications we see daily, such as selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, or SSRIs, serotonin norepinephrine reuptake inhibitors, or SNRIs, and other agents like clomipramine. The danger of this interaction has been well documented. Many reported cases of serotonin toxicity linked to methylene blue have occurred in surgical settings. A patient on a chronic SSRI regimen, for example, might be given methylene blue as a surgical dye, leading to an unexpected and severe adverse reaction. The symptoms of this syndrome are classic: altered mental status, hyperthermia, increased reflexes, clonus, and muscle rigidity. There have been tragic cases of fatal outcomes, underscoring the seriousness of this drug interaction. The FDA has taken notice of this risk and has issued warnings about the co-administration of methylene blue with serotonergic psychiatric medications. The agency advises that we exercise extreme caution and only use methylene blue in these patients when the potential benefits clearly outweigh the risks. If its use is unavoidable, we must be vigilant and monitor patients closely for any signs or symptoms of serotonin toxicity. In summary, methylene blue's ability to inhibit MAO-A makes it a potent trigger for serotonin syndrome when combined with other serotonergic agents. This is a critical drug interaction that we as healthcare providers must be aware of to ensure patient safety, particularly in procedural or surgical environments. This has been James Carter for Emergency Insights. Thank you for tuning in.